Welcome back to Bike Buzzing, your go-to channel for all things adventure, mobility, and outdoor lifestyle. Today, we're diving into something that's been creating quite a buzz in the camper and travel community, the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome camper truck. Whether you're a weekend wanderer or a full-time nomad, this innovative vehicle could redefine how you travel and live on the road. Let's break down what makes this camper truck a serious game-changer for 2025. Bold design meets functionality. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome camper truck brings a refreshing blend of rugged design and smart engineering. On the outside, it retains Chevrolet's signature muscular look, but with modifications tailored to long-haul comfort and versatility. A higher roofline, integrated solar panels, and streamlined aerodynamics make it both eye-catching and efficient. The truck sits on a reinforced chassis, optimized for off-road exploration, yet still delivers smooth handling for highway cruising. What really sets this camper apart is how Chevrolet has blended pickup utility with motorhome luxury. Think of it as a rugged truck with a mini apartment on its back. Interior comfort's on a new level. Step inside, and you'll forget you're in a truck. The interior of the 2025 Chevy camper truck is like a high-end micro-home. There's a fully convertible sleeping area, a compact kitchenette with induction stove and fridge, and even a wet bath with a composting toilet and shower. The materials used are lightweight but premium, faux wood accents, antimicrobial fabrics, and LED lighting throughout. One of the standout features is the smart living system. Using Chevrolet's latest infotainment tech, everything from lighting and temperature to water levels and battery status can be monitored via touchscreen or smartphone app. You can even set the mood lighting or turn on the heat remotely before getting back from your hike. Performance that supports your journey. Under the hood, the 2025 camper truck comes with multiple engine options, including a hybrid V8 and a fully electric variant, depending on your preference for power or eco-conscious driving. The electric version offers a range of up to 300 miles per charge, while the hybrid can tow up to 7,500 pounds, more than enough for extra gear or a trailer. Chevrolet has also included adaptive suspension and terrain response systems, which means this truck can tackle sand dunes, forest trails, or steep mountain roads without breaking a sweat. And with built-in regenerative braking and solar panel support, you'll have more range and less dependency on charging stations. Off-grid capabilities and tech. For those who love to unplug, this camper truck is a dream. The integrated solar array feeds a high-capacity lithium battery, giving you enough power to stay off-grid for days. Water storage is smartly split between fresh and gray water tanks, with easy refill and disposal ports. Chevy has also included Starlink Ready connectivity, so you're never truly out of touch, even in the remotest spots. Add to that multiple USB ports, wireless charging pads, and roof-mounted Wi-Fi, and this truck becomes your mobile HQ as well as your cozy hideaway. Final thoughts, is it worth the hype? So, is the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome camper truck worth it? If you're someone who values freedom, independence, and a modern touch to your outdoor lifestyle, this camper delivers on all fronts. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With its smart tech, capable performance, and thoughtful design, Chevrolet is clearly listening to what travelers and adventurers need. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Chevrolet camper truck. What do you think? Is this the future of overlanding and remote living? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Bike Buzzing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a ride into the world of travel tech, camper life, and all things buzzing on 2 wheels, or 4. Until next time, keep rolling forward.